Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop email notifications from Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there and click on the hamburger menu, you will find this sort of interface. And there, head over to your settings and privacy and go to settings. And here scroll down and you will see an option of notifications under preference section. There are some others too, but don't get fooled. Just head over to the notifications option. There, scroll down and you will see an option of push email and SMS where you receive your notifications. So go for the email one. And here all you need to do is just toggle the desired option off, and once you do it, your email notifications will stop from Facebook. And this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.